the neighbors, at the Kamin Science Center.
Oh my god, everybody, guess what? Mrs. Anderson have told all of us that we're all going on a field trip to the Kamin Science Center.
Wow. Is it formerly known as the Carnegie Science Center? Cassie?
Of course, it is, Harper.
Class, the bus is here.
Oh, goody. The Kamin Science Center, here we all come.
Wait a minute. We all have to get Mr. Taylor and his class first.
Yeah, let's go.
Mr. Taylor's class, come on. We're all gonna go on a field trip to the Kamin Science Center.
The Kamin Science Center. Let's go.
Hey, Tony, what are you doing up there?
I'm just enjoying the view from up here.
The Carter Family and the Pet Lovers Club. Episode 4. Sid the Science Kid.
Oh my god. Now that's science.
Then everyone falls asleep. The king and the queen fall asleep. The soldiers fall asleep. Even the cats and the dogs fall asleep.
That's Belle. Thank you. And I think you all need to watch something that is scientific, instead of watching the Ping Fong Sleeping Beauty video.
Really? Like what?
Sid the Science Kid, the movie, of course.
Yes, Sid the Science Kid. My favorite PBS Kids TV show.
Are you sure this is a good idea for all of us to watch, like Sid the Science Kid, the movie, though?
Of course, everybody. I'm gonna put on Sid the Science Kid, the movie for all of you to watch, right now.
May I have your attention, please? It's time for the grand opening of the Super Ultimate Science Museum.
Yes. Yeah, this is gonna be awesome. Did you all hear that, folks?
Yeah, the announcer made the Science Museum grand opening announcement. Ha, 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 ha.
Science rules.
Hey, Evan, did you say something?
Not me. Maybe it was Tyler.
Quiet. I'm trying to play my favorite science game. Sorry. This dot is so tiny.
I know that one. It must be Tyler's imaginary friend. Ha 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 ha.
I love science.
Hey, there it is, again.
Yeah, maybe it's the homeschooled British girl named Bella.
Oh, good call. Hey, Bella, did you say something?
Sorry, it wasn't me.
Oh, well, that doesn't break that down. Ha 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 ha.
This is so cool.
Hey,
It's like a science world around here.
Totally awesome.
who is that?
Uh-oh. Don't look now, Cassie. But I think you've invited your 5 favorite buddies to the Kamin Science Center this morning.
What?
Hey, kids, how's it going? Is there anything you all are doing here at the Kamin Science Center?
Hi, Harry. Hi, Jane. Hi, Michael. Hi, Sam I am. Hi, Guy am I. Yeah. And we were all gonna learn all about science there.
So cool. We all love science. And all of the science stuff are all out of this world.
Come on, class, it's time to go to the Buell Planetarium.
Gasp. Did you all hear that, folks? We're all about to go to the Buell Planetarium right now. Let's go.
There are 8 planets in the solar system. And they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. But Pluto became a dwarf planet in 2006. The 8 planets all orbit the Sun, with the inner 4 are all being rocky and the outer 4 are all being gas, or ice giants.
Gasp! Wow! This is more like when Jane and I both first learned about the planets at George Mitchell School at London, England, in February 3rd, 2000.
Yeah, and we both also didn't know how Brian Cox narrates the Buell Planetarium video, just like when he narrated the Solar System 2024 documentary video. Ha 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 ha.
Yes, we all know. Jane and Michael, we all know. Ha 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 ha.
Wow, I just love the miniature railroad and village road. It is awesome. Ha 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 ha.
That amusement park is just like Kennywood. Isn't it, everybody?
Oh yes, Sam I am. It sure is indeed.
Ha 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 ha.
Michael, does it have a merry-go-round here in this room?
Oh, yes, Jane, it sure does. Just like one of Bert's drawings called The English Countryside. But I missed Bert though.
Yeah, me too, Michael.
Gasp. What happened here?
I think all of the construction workers are all working on both the new Sports 360 and the new The Science of Speed. And that's why we all can't go to both of those places yet.
Well, why don't we all go watch a Disney movie at a hotel instead?
Good idea. Jane, let's go. May 4th, 2026. Dear Mother and Father, Cassie have invited Gary, Jane, Samuel, and Guy and I to the Kamin Science Center this morning. And then this afternoon we all see that Sports 360 and the Science of Speed are both under construction. And then afterwards, we all decided to watch a Disney movie at the hotel. And Jane and I will both tell both of you what the Disney movie is gonna be tomorrow. From your children, Jane and Michael.
Ha 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 ha. You all know, folks, the new Disney movie called Zootopia 2 had premiered in November 26, 2025, which it was last year. But anyway, I gotta say that this is the best Kamin Science Center day ever in our lives.
The end.